Caitlin Thornley was just a 12-year-old girl from Angleton, Texas, when her life changed in a way no one expected. One day, after a normal afternoon, Caitlin suddenly began sneezing uncontrollably, and she couldn't stop. What started as a few sneezes quickly exploded into a relentless condition that saw her sneezing up to 20 times per minute, adding up to around 12,000 sneezes a day. Doctors were baffled. They ran tests and consulted multiple specialists, but all common causes like allergies, viruses, or infections were ruled out. Even medications and treatments, including taking antihistamines like Benadryl, offered little relief. The only time Caitlin experienced a break was when she was asleep or briefly relaxed, often with music playing. The constant sneezing didn't just affect her physically, it impacted her daily life. Caitlin was forced to miss school, struggled to eat properly due to the frequency of the sneezes, and even found it difficult to speak in full sentences without interruption.